Hi there, my name is Dan Ruby and I'm the head of marketing here at DemandSage. I'm here today to give you a brief overview of what we do and some of the challenges that we solve. DemandSage provides a custom integration between your HubSpot environment and a Google Sheet. This gives you access to see, report on, and manipulate your data in an environment that refreshes daily. No more exporting a CSV and manually inputting it every time you want fresh data. DemandSage's functionality comes primarily in two forms, a library of commonly used reports and a modular smart table builder. Let's quickly look at the report library by accessing it from the DemandSage add-on menu. The report library is where we offer a collection of reports that provide immediate value out of the box. Current reports include a pipeline report, a marketing influence report, an account-based marketing explorer, an account health report, and more. When you decide which report you're interested in, clicking Get immediately adds it as a new tab in your sheet, which will update daily as the data in HubSpot changes. These reports are designed to quickly and easily answer specific client questions that cannot easily be done in HubSpot or with exported CSV data, and we are adding new reports all the time. The modular table builder steps in when a report does not yet exist to solve your particular challenge. We'll use a new blank tab, open Build Smart Table in the DemandSage add-on menu, and within this right pane that opens we can create dynamically updating reports on deals, companies, or contacts. We can choose our reporting metric, how we want it interpreted, and then the data by which we want to group. Once you've chosen the metrics and groupings you want in your smart table, just choose a cell in your sheet and hit Insert Table. Now we have a smart chart with no SQL or other querying language required. And once the data is here, since we're working in sheets, we can manipulate it however we like. Do you want to know how long it's been since a customer was created? Just subtract. Do you want to turn this into a pivot table? Easy. Do you want to find the difference between the customer created date and a custom date, like, for example, the last time they used your product? Straightforward, and we use it ourselves regularly. The last thing to mention is that DemandSage can be very useful to power users as well. We give you the ability to run SQL queries across your HubSpot data with the equals sage function. So if any of our visual interfaces aren't quite giving you a specific result, maybe it's on a custom calculation or something specific to your marketing funnel, you can, with just a little bit of querying, create exactly what you need. Equals Sage functions also return updated data on a nightly basis. So that is DemandSage in 3 minutes, give or take. I hope you found this helpful and I invite you to get DemandSage integrated today. It's fast, easy, powerful, and free to use. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at hello@demandsage.com. Thank you.